In this Pixellab tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design a logo with the help of your Android smartphone. Cross the channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe. Okay, right here, let's begin the tutorial. The entire design process begins with this. I'm going to import this stock element, this icon, but then I'm going to change the color to green since this logo is going in for a flower shop. All right, so right now I'll change the background color to a perfect white so we can see what we are doing, and you can use your relative position now to centralize this to the middle. Like I said, this is for a flower shop and the name of the flower shop is called Petal Paradise. So go to text, write petals in capital letters, size it up to your desired size, then go to your font, and the name of the font I'm using is called the Berkshire Swash Regular. Download this font, or you can indicate in the comment section for me to leave you the link to this particular font. So what we're going to do here is to change the color of this to blue, and we use relative position to make sure that it's on the middle also. We can even increase it in size further to make it very much legible. And look at what we're going to do. We're going to go back to text and write paradise. So like I said, it's for a flower shop, and I'm also going to change the color of this to green. Using relative position, make sure it's on the middle, then go to your font and let's change this font to let's say Nexa Heavy. Okay, so we have Petal Paradise, that's the name of the flower shop. Now we're going to bring in some Instagram and WhatsApp icons also. Then we reduce it in size and position it here. This is for their WhatsApp handle, so I'm going to copy this text, double tap to write so this is the Instagram address. They are at petal_paradise on Instagram. Okay, for this flower shop, but I'm going to reduce this in size. And look at what we're going to do. We're going to change the color to blue. Okay, okay, so we can even leave the color like that. I guess green is fine, and shift this up a bit. So let's reduce the size of this icon. Then we're going to bring in the next icon, which is the WhatsApp icon. Let's crop that well and drastically reduce it also in size and position it here nicely. Let's copy this text since we are using the same fonts and write the WhatsApp number. So this is their WhatsApp number, and what we're going to do now is to go to layer and select the icons of the WhatsApp and Instagram and shift it up a bit. Then we reselect them again, using this time around relative position. We align it properly to the middle. So that's it for the first part of the logo design. It's done. We're going to go to background. Since we're going to mock this up, we're going to go now to background and make it a transparent background by clicking here, making it transparent. Then you go now and save it as image. Remember, it should be in PNG and Ultra as the quality for saving it out. After saving it out, go launch your Chrome browser to search for Photopea. Photopea is a powerful application. You can get it as an application on your App Store or your Play Store, or you can just search online on Google Chrome as I'm doing. Once your search result is ready, click on the first search result, which is here. And what we're going to do now is to click on open from computer. By now I already have the logo mockup. Of course, I'm going to share that with you. So let me just load the page at fresh Photopea. Okay, let me load it up again. And you click on open from computer, and then it's going to take me to the file where I have this my logo mockup. Check the video description for the file for the logo mockup. You're going to get it from there. Okay, so this is the name of the logo mockup. Mockup 30 by Freedex Studio PSD. Select on it, click OK to continue, and wait for it to load. So it's loading up. It's a few seconds, it will be ready. And that is it. Once it's ready, click here on the layer panel. First things first, let's click on this small dot to hide the original work that is on the mockup, on the PSD mockup. Double tap on this. Double tap on this tiny square box twice. Once you double tap, there is a simple eye icon by your left. Click on it to hide it out. Click back on layer to see the layer or to see the portion where you are going to place your own logo. And right now you're going to click on file, click on open and place, click on open and place. Yeah, click here, and you're going to click on media to take you back to the logo that we just designed on Pixellab. And here we are with the logo. That's our first work. I'm just going to bring it to focus here. As you can see, we have it right here. You can pinch on the edges to size it up. Okay, to size it up, make it more legible, position it nicely to align properly with the space provided. Then click back on file on your top left corner, then you will see the option save as smart object. Click on save as smart object and wait for it to be updated. Smart object has been updated successfully. Right now we're going to click back on mockup, the first layer, to see our mockup. And here we are. The logo has been mocked up successfully by Photopea. How do you download? Click back on file and click on export as. Okay, click back on export as PNG. So these options provide you with this panel provides you with options to export your image as a PNG file. You can equally export it as a JPEG image, as a web page, as PDF, and of course MP4 and other GIFs formats. But we're working with PNG. Click on it, okay, and you wait for it to load up like this, as you can see. Then you click on the save option and it's downloading. So it's done. Let's open and see how our logo looks like. All right, so here we are with this logo designed on Pixellab and mocked up using Photopea. It's for a flower shop called Petal Paradise. So this is it, guys. I will leave the link to download the mockup. I've used the Freedex Mockup 30 by Freedex Studio PSD. I will leave the link to get it on the video description. Get it from there, and that's just how you can download your PSD mockup. Use it on Photopea to get this same results. I hope today's lesson was helpful, and if it was, kindly comment in the comment section. Drop your comments, like the tutorial, as I will be seeing you in our next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. It's Don's Graphics.